In this video, I am going to show you how to get a replacement credit card in case if you have lost your original Axis Bank credit card. Go to axisbank.com and click on login. Now you need to enter your login credentials and sign into your Axis Net Banking account. Once you are signed in, the dashboard of Axis Net Banking looks like this. On the dashboard itself, you can see the credit card option. Click on that. It will show you the credit card details. From here, you can directly apply for a new replacement credit card. For you, if the credit cards option is not showing up on the dashboard, what you can do is from the left side menu, you have cards. Click on that and select the credit card which you have lost. Now it will show you the same page. From the left side menu, you have dashboard, offers, transactions and control center. Click on control center. Once you click on control center, you will have this option, block and replace. Click on block and replace and now select the mailing address. After selecting the mailing address, click on proceed. Click on confirm. Now you will get a OTP. Enter the OTP and click on verify. Now you can see the message. Your card has been blocked and replacement request placed successfully. So within 3 to 4 working days, you will get the new replacement credit card at your address. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.